Assalamualaikum and good morning to our lecturer, Mr. Fari, and to all my friends. The name of my group members are Faris, Akmal, and my name is Sharfana. We from the RP3B. Now we want to talk about Roti Jala. There is a table content of Roti Jala. The first is introduction. Number 2 is mission statement. Number 3, project schedule. Number 4, catering data. Number 5, data analysis. Number 6, discussion. Number 7, product design specification. Number 8, concept generation. Number 9, design selection. And number 10, detailed design and analysis. 11, discussion. And lastly, conclusion. First, we begin with an introduction to Roti Jala. Roti Jala is a beautiful dish that looks like fish because of the way it is made. It is a very traditional Malay dish that is usually homemade and served at events such as weddings and celebrations. The process of making mashed bread conventionally is very complicated, especially if it has to be produced in large quantities. Among other challenges to producing kuih jala is shaping it when cooked also requires skill, energy, and in addition to its uneven shape. The mashed bread making machine has the potential to help increase the income of small and medium industry entrepreneurs, especially those who operate frozen food product, food service, and kiosk entrepreneurs.
Alright, next is mission statement. We have 6 key mission statement. First, give the product a one stance description. Second, propose benefit. Next, key business objective. And then the identify is target marketing. Develop the food as a guide by perception and constraints. And last, sketch holder. And then next, project schedule. Next, centering data. We create one question for another person, which use the Google form question. And that need is a response. It is percentage respondent.
Yes, next I want to continue present about data analysis. This is my group data analysis. Data analysis has many criteria, such as handling, material, cost, durability, weight, portability, reliability, easy to maintain, safety, shape, color. High criteria in data analysis is handle. Customer when focused about handling. Okay, next I want to present about product design specification. This is the design of my group choice. Among this design specification, this handle good to hold. Okay, next concept generation. This is a concept generation. Input screw process gear. Input press process injection. Input battery process DC motor and output release. Input press process hydraulic system. Input press process brake system and output cutter. Okay, next this is idea sketch. We sketch more. First sketch, we choose hydraulic system. Next sketch, we choose gear system. Third sketch, we sketch DC motor system. Next sketch, we choose brake system. Then mm, then next sketch, we choose pressure system. Next gear system again, hydraulic system. Hydraulic system again. And this design, we choose a brake system. This sketching not same with uh, new design. This is a
Thank you for Akmal. Now, next, I'm Fariz Abdul Zainal. Can we continue the presentation about design solution? We choose the design solution. This is we choose and develop the design. Before we select the design, we use the concept screening. In concept screening, we can difference about seat concept with A injection system, B hydraulic system, D DC motor, D pressure brake, brake system, E pressure, F is a gear system. For this criteria, we can give the net score for the all system all mechanism. This rank first is a hydraulic system and the system brake, and then rank number 2 is an injection system. If ranking after concept screening, we choose the top 3 ranking to transfer to the next step, concept scoring. Next concept scoring, we choose 3 mechanism. The first injection system, gear system and system brake. We choose the gear system as for reference to compare with the injection system and system brake. After we compare, we get the ranking, total scoring. Injection system is the last ranking. This total score is 3.2, and the second place is gear system 3.3, and the first ranking is system brake 4.2, and then we choose the system brake for develop the. And then next is detail design and analysis. It is detail design part by part, body or tank, funnel, body, snake feet handle, pot, nut and trigger. Then the last is as an expert view. And then next discussion. We have a problem and solution. First problem is product do not have the average dimension. We use the internet to view the example of product dimension as a reference. And then next problem is product do not have appropriate color. And we use the Google and identify the best color to choose in the product. And then next product need to be redesigned. Solution, we redesign to the weakness to in them of the form. And then next another type of a suitable system, that's a battle. We search on the Google and YouTube to find the appropriate concept generation to use as an example. And then the last problem is lack of the knowledge regarding the important criteria that is need. We ask question and discuss with the group members about the important and suitable material of our product. Then the last conclusion. The product design sketches the product design manually or through software by collection the idea from the external and internal sources of the company. The product design work along with the designer, with engineer, product development, testing team and marketing team to achieve the final design and modify the existing prototype. The product designer has a collaborate with an entire team to bring and to launch the final product. That's all for me. Thank you.